Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do a speed test comparison of two mid-range smartphones in the 15 to 20k price segment. We have the Infinix Zero 8i newly launched device. Along with that, we have one of the really popular devices in the sub 20k price segment. We have the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Now let's go to the settings first. So these two devices are below the 20,000 price segment. So we have the Helio G90T octa-core processor on the Infinix Zero 8, while we have the Snapdragon 720G octa-core processor on this device. We have Android 10 on both the devices. We have MIUI 12 on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, while we have the XOS version 7, or rather the Dolphin 7.0 version on the Infinix Zero 8i. So these are the two devices we are going to do the testing. So we'll be testing the app performance of these 16 apps, and then we'll be doing the memory management test to see which all apps are retained in the background. So just clearing of all the background apps on this device. So there you go. We have cleared off all the apps, so nothing is running in the background. Now we have connected the device to the same Wi-Fi network as well. So you can see that both are now connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and both are in airplane mode as well. So similar conditions are set for both the devices. So let's start the speed test and we'll see how good the performance is. So let's start with Asphalt 9. So let's see which is able to load Asphalt 9 faster. Is it the Helio G90T or the Snapdragon 720G? So here you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i loaded the game much faster than the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So next is the Temple Run game. So let's just go to the Temple Run. So there you go. Next is Temple Run. So now both the devices have the gaming mode turned on. So here again you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i does a better job here in terms of opening of the Temple Run. So next is Play Store. Here again Zero 8i is faster. Next is Chrome. So here again Zero 8i is slightly faster. Facebook. Here you can see that the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is faster. Next is Twitter. Again the Zero 8i is faster. Instagram. Again Zero 8i is faster. Ghana. Again you can see that the Zero 8i is faster. Amazon. Again Zero 8i is faster. Flipkart. Here again you can see that Zero 8i is faster. File Manager. Again Zero 8i is faster. Settings. Again you can see that Zero 8i is faster. YouTube. YouTube was faster on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Gmail. Again 8i is faster. Camera. Again you can see that considerably faster on the Zero 8i. And finally Maps. Again you can see that Zero 8i is faster. So in terms of app performance, the Infinix Zero 8i with Helio G90T octa-core processor convincingly beat the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max in terms of opening of apps. But you also have to remember that the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is almost like 6 to 7 months old. So over a period of time, or rather the updates have come in. So slightly slower might be the reason, but again you can see that Helio G90T is a really powerful device, and that is pretty good on the Zero 8i. So apart from the two apps, all the other apps were faster on the Infinix Zero 8i. Now next let's move on to the memory management test. So Maps is first what we open. So both have retained it. Camera, again both have retained it. Gmail is retained. YouTube is retained. Settings is retained. File Manager is retained. Flipkart is retained. Amazon is retained. Ghana is retained. Instagram is retained. Twitter is reloaded on both the devices, so almost consistent here. Both the devices reloaded Twitter. Facebook is reloaded on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, while it is retained on the Zero 8i. Chrome is available on both the devices. Play Store has been reloaded on both the devices. That's quite surprising. Now Temple Run. Again, both the devices have reloaded Temple Run. Let's see once again, see which is able to load it faster. Again, you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i loaded the game faster than Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Now finally we have Asphalt 9. So here again you can see that both have reloaded Asphalt 9. So here again, let's see which is able to load it faster, whether it's Infinix Zero 8i or the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Now you could see that memory management is quite similar except for Facebook, which the Infinix Zero 8i retained. Other than that, almost similar in terms of memory management. Here again you can see that the Infinix loaded the game much faster. You can see that it's almost 3-4 seconds faster than the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So that is a speed test comparison of the Infinix Zero 8i versus the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So here you can see that the clear winner in terms of app performance is definitely the Infinix Zero 8i. Couple of reasons. One is the Helio G90T is a really powerful chipset. Second reason is the Infinix Zero 8i is a newer device, while the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max is like almost 6 to 7 months old. So that was the speed test comparison. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.